AI Model, Dashboard from DNN Network. Pradeep K. Suri, author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. The video displays an AI-powered education DNN dashboard, designed to provide insights into student performance and identify areas for improvement. From an educational point of view, here's an explanation of each section. 1. Prediction distribution. This is a donut chart showing the predicted outcomes for a group of students. Pass, 45%. A significant portion of students are predicted to pass, which is a positive indicator. Needs improvement, 35%. This is a crucial segment for educators. It highlights students who are at risk and require additional support or intervention to meet learning objectives. Fail, 20%. This group represents students who are predicted to fail, indicating a strong need for immediate and targeted educational strategies to prevent failure. Educational point of view, this distribution helps educators quickly grasp the overall health of their student cohort. It allows for proactive planning and resource allocation to support students, particularly those in the needs improvement and fail categories. It can inform decisions about tutoring, remedial classes, or differentiated instruction. 2. Student performance comparison. This is a bar chart comparing individual student performance across 3 key metrics. Attendance percent indicates student engagement and presence in learning activities. Assignment score reflects understanding and application of concepts through coursework. Exam score measures overall comprehension and retention of learned material. Each set of bars represents a specific student, student 1 to student 20. Educational point of view, this section provides a granular view of individual student strengths and weaknesses. Educators can easily identify students with low attendance, example student 5, student 11, struggling with assignments, example student 7, student 12, or performing poorly on exams, example student 3, student 10. This data is invaluable for personalized feedback, targeted interventions, and one-on-one student counseling. It also helps in identifying potential correlations between attendance and academic performance. 3. Risk level heat map by group. This heat map categorizes students into groups, student group 1 to student group 5, and assesses their risk levels across different dimensions: attendance, assignment, exam, and participation. The color intensity, from light to dark red, indicates higher risk. Darker red signifies a greater risk in that particular area for that student group. Educational point of view, this aggregated view helps educators identify systemic issues or common challenges within specific student populations. For example, if student group 3 shows high risk across all categories, it indicates a need for a comprehensive intervention strategy for that entire group. This allows for more efficient allocation of resources and the development of group-based support programs. It can also highlight if certain areas, like participation, are consistently high risk across multiple groups, prompting a review of teaching methodologies or classroom engagement strategies. 4. Softmax layer output probabilities. This line graph video represents the output probabilities from a deep neural network, DNN, for each student. In an educational context, this could indicate the model's confidence in a particular prediction, example the probability of a student passing or failing, or perhaps belonging to a specific performance cluster. Each point on the line corresponds to a student, student 1 to student 20, and the y-axis represents the probability. Educational point of view, while more technical, this output can provide educators with an understanding of the model's certainty. A low probability for a desired outcome, example passing, or a highly fluctuating probability could indicate a student whose performance is unpredictable or who is at a critical juncture. It can help in prioritizing students for deeper review, especially those with probabilities close to a decision boundary, as they might be easily swayed into a different outcome with timely intervention. It also offers a glimpse into the AI's internal reasoning, which can build trust and provide additional context to the other, more direct, performance metrics. In summary, this AI-powered education dashboard offers a comprehensive suite of tools for educators to monitor, analyze, and intervene in student learning. It moves beyond simple grading to provide predictive insights, highlight individual and group performance trends, and identify areas of risk, ultimately empowering educators to make data-driven decisions to improve student outcomes. This AI-powered education DNN dashboard can significantly contribute to the improvement of the education sector in several ways. 1. Early identification of at-risk students and proactive intervention. Prediction distribution. The dashboard immediately highlights students predicted to fail or needs improvement. This allows educators to identify at-risk students much earlier than traditional methods, example waiting for midterm or end-of-term grades. Student performance comparison. Detailed breakdowns of attendance, assignment, and exam scores for each student enable pinpointing specific areas where a student is struggling. Benefit for improvement. This proactive approach shifts from reactive remediation to preventative support. Educators can intervene with targeted interventions, personalized learning plans, extra tutoring, or counseling before problems escalate, significantly improving student success rates and reducing dropout rates. 2. Personalized learning and differentiated instruction. By understanding individual student performance metrics, student performance comparison, and the specific areas of risk level heat map, educators can tailor their teaching methods and learning materials to meet diverse student needs. Benefit for improvement. This moves away from a one-size-fits-all approach to education, fostering an environment where each student receives the support necessary to thrive. It helps optimize learning outcomes for all students, from those needing extra help to those who are excelling and could benefit from advanced challenges. 3. Data-driven decision-making at multiple levels. Individual student level. Educators can use the dashboard to inform discussions with students and parents, set individualized goals, and track progress. Classroom/group level. The risk level heat map by group helps identify trends within specific groups of students, allowing for group-based interventions or adjustments to curriculum delivery for those groups. Institutional level. Schools/districts aggregated data from such dashboards across multiple classrooms or schools could inform policy decisions, resource allocation, professional development needs for teachers, and curriculum design. For example, if many student groups consistently show high risk in participation, it might prompt a review of teaching strategies for engagement. Benefit for improvement. Education leaders can make informed strategic decisions based on real-time data rather than relying on intuition or anecdotal evidence, leading to more effective and efficient educational systems. 4. Optimized resource allocation. By clearly identifying where students are struggling and in which areas, example attendance, assignments, exams, schools can allocate resources, example tutors, counselors, special programs, more effectively to the areas and students who need them most. Benefit for improvement. This ensures that valuable resources are not wasted and are deployed strategically to achieve the greatest impact on student success. 5. Enhanced teacher effectiveness and professional development. Teachers gain immediate insights into the efficacy of their teaching methods. If a significant number of students are struggling with a particular concept, it might indicate a need to adjust teaching strategies or provide additional support materials. The data can also highlight areas where teachers might need further professional development to address specific student challenges. Benefit for improvement. Empowered with data, teachers can continuously refine their pedagogical approaches, leading to improved instructional quality across the board. 6. Fostering a culture of accountability and continuous improvement. The dashboard provides transparent data on student progress and areas of concern, promoting accountability among students, teachers, and administrators. Regular monitoring and analysis of the dashboard can foster a continuous improvement cycle, where educational strategies are constantly evaluated and refined based on performance data. Benefit for improvement. This creates an environment where improving student outcomes is an ongoing, data-driven process, rather than a periodic assessment. 7. Understanding AI model confidence, softmax layer output probabilities. While more technical, this section allows educators, or data scientists supporting them, to understand the confidence level of the AI's predictions. High confidence in a fail prediction might warrant more urgent intervention. Benefit for improvement. This builds trust in the AI system and provides a deeper understanding of the predictive insights, potentially aiding in fine-tuning interventions based on the AI's certainty. In essence, this dashboard transforms raw educational data into actionable insights, enabling a more responsive, personalized, and effective educational environment that prioritizes student success and continuous improvement across the entire sector. Thank you.